Hello there. This video we're going to share about creating responsive web prototypes. Here's how it looks. Responsive. Now we have a desktop view. As we click on the right, slide it, it changes to tablet view, further, mobile view, back, tablet view, and all the way back, desktop view. So how do we do this? First, you will need to have created all three different views. In the previous videos, we have already created the desktop view, homepage. You will need to also have created a tablet view and mobile view. Note that the mastheads are different for mobile devices. There tends to be hamburger icons where you could hide the other functions, the other links. The layouts are different. So let's begin. First, right click on the canvas, plugins, manage, search for free breakpoints. Once you have found it, saved it, this is how it looks like when you are running it. You will need to have select more than one breakpoint frames to create a responsive frame. So let's close this for now. And we need to create 3 different frames as we mentioned earlier here. But for demonstration's sake, we're not going to go through the whole creation. We're just going to create simple blank frames. Press F on your keyboard or locate frames on your toolbar. Once you have that on the right panel, let's look for desktop first. Desktop again. It should have a width of 1440. Click it, it will appear somewhere here, far from wherever you are. Click and drag it into the place where you are working on. Trackpad zoom in, just to make sure we are where we are. Adjust. Create 2 other frames. Now that we have desktop, keyboard F again, we want to have tablet view. We want something of a portrait mode, so we chose iPad Pro 11. Because why do we do that? Because a horizontal view, a landscape view, would have the same width as a desktop. So as you are doing the responsiveness, doesn't really show much. So we choose iPad Pro 11 with a width of 834. Click. Now it appears nearer to where we are looking at. Drag it in. Do the same to another device, the last device being iPhone 17. Click, drag in. Now that we have all 3 within the desktop, just gonna identify that this is desktop while we are dragging. Go ahead and click T for text. Click inside. I'm just gonna type MacBook. Let's give it a Pro, MacBook Pro. Click outside. With this text layer selected, copy iPad Pro, paste. Now this is iPad Pro. Copy it. We have already previously copied. So this is iPhone. Don't worry too much about the alignment. With these 3 items, with these 3 devices created, let's select them. Select the first by clicking on the title. Keyboard Shift. Hold it down. iPad Pro and iPhone 17. You will notice how all these 3 are selected in the layers. While they're still selected, you can release your shift, right click on any of the devices, plugins, free breakpoint, either in recents or in your saved plugins. So once you click on that, you would have generated a responsive frame. The responsive frame might not appear because of plugins. Sometimes it will pop out of frame. How do we know it's here? Because as we selected it, you'll notice in the layers, now this is a component. While this is still selected, locate it on the canvas, drag it here. So now we test. This doesn't require us to launch a prototype. We can just drag it here as it is. In this case, this is the desktop view. As we slide, iPad view. As we slide, iPhone view. So that's how we create a responsive frame. Do so when we have the other pages created. The same thing, you have select all three devices, right click, plugins, free breakpoint. I'm not going to click on this now because we have already done so. Once you click on it, you will see what we have demonstrated earlier. Thank you.